So this is question number 3 and we've been given a Venn diagram. So let me draw the diagram. Okay, alright. So we got two sets. And the problem is described as follows. So we got the Venn diagram that shows the number of students from form 5A who had visited either Canada or Dominica. So Canada is represented as C, Dominica is represented as D. So we have the C here and D here, and this is the universal set, and we are given this 3x and 10. The value outside the intersecting circle is given as 2x. Now the first question is asking us how many students visited Dominica alone, or it is written as only. Okay, so the answer is you go over here and look for the number which is not present in the intersection. Okay, this is the intersection region, and outside this is the value. So this would be 10. That is the solution. Exclusively they have visited only Dominica. Now the next question is asking us to write an expression. Okay, in terms of x to represent the total number of students who had visited Canada. In terms of x, the total number of students who visited Canada. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go back to the diagram and look for the following values which are present both in the intersection as well as outside the intersecting region, but falls in Canada, right? So x is actually the quantity which is present in the intersection, but we need to also look for the value that is outside the intersection. So the solution is, you can write it like this: total number of students who visited Canada is equal to 3 positive x. So that is the solution. Now we are asked to get the value of x. So this is the third part. Third part states that the total number of students in the form is 25. Then we are asked to find the value of x. So that would mean we got 3 added with x, added with 10, added with 2x. This is equal to 25, right? So you add up x with 2x, that's going to be 3x. Add 3 with 10, that's going to be 13, and you have 25 there. Move this 13 to the other side, you have 25 negative 13, which will give you 12. So 3x is equal to 12, which means x is equal to 12 divided by 3. 3 divides 12 4 times. Therefore x is equal to 4. So that is the solution for this question. Now we are also required to find, or I would say answer the following questions. Okay, so the first one is C union D. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 4. So C union D means total number of students who are present in their set as well as in the intersection. So x is equal to 4. That means C union D is going to be 3 added with 4 added with 10, which is going to be 17 students. Okay. The next question wants us to find C intersection D. Now what is C intersection D? C intersection D is clearly x, which is nothing but 4 students. Okay, that's the second question. And next, C union D complement. So what is C union D? C union D is 17. Okay, this entire component. But a complement means 2 times you need to take out, or I would say you need to put in everything other than C union D. So the total number of students, from total number of students you take away 17, and that would give you 8. Now you can also get that C union D complement from 2x. Substitute x is equal to 4, and that would directly give you the value 8. Okay, so I think that is the last part of the subdivisions. So the first one is they want us to find C union D. Second one is C intersection D, and the third one is C union D, the whole complement. Of course, along with these questions. So having given you this, let me move on to the next one.